In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT as a language translation tool. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves learning new languages, you'll find this incredibly helpful. Let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First, let's open up your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, go ahead and type in ChatGPT. After you hit enter, you should see a list of results. Look for the official ChatGPT website in the search results and click on it to open it. This will take you straight to the home page of ChatGPT, where all the magic happens. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll see a space where you can type in your queries or prompts. For the purpose of translation, think of a sentence or a paragraph you want to translate. Click into the text box and type this in. For example, if you want to translate "Hello, how are you" into Spanish, you would type "Translate hello, how are you" into Spanish. After you've written your prompt, it's time to submit it. Look for the usually prominent button that says Submit or something similar. This is what you'll need to click to send your query to the ChatGPT system. Once you hit Submit, the ChatGPT model will process your request. It usually takes just a few seconds, and then you'll get a response with the translation. One tip that may be useful is to be clear and specific with your prompt. For example, if you want the translation in a formal or casual tone, include that in your prompt to get the best possible output tailored to your needs. Now you might be wondering how accurate these translations are. ChatGPT is designed to identify and use context, which means it can offer translations that aren't just word for word, but also capture the intended meaning or tone. However, while ChatGPT is quite capable, always remember to double-check translations, especially for formal or professional use. And that's how you can use ChatGPT as a language translation tool. It's simple, easy, and efficient, making it a fantastic addition to your language learning and translation arsenal. Whether you're preparing for a trip, working on a project, or just curious about another language, ChatGPT can assist you effortlessly in breaking language barriers. Enjoy your translating, and see you in the next video.